Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobbi, and this isn't my normal kind of video, but I just wanted to share everything with you guys because I'm just so freaking happy right now. Guess what today is? It's my birthday. Today, you know, I always mention like I'm a particular kind of age, and I'm 32 today, so yay me. Which I'm also super happy about because this girl at the restaurant, she thought I was like in my 20s, okay? She thought that I was like in my mid to early-ish 20s, so I was like, yes, and I didn't even have a mask on. Okay, so anyways, I am doing a birthday haul, so you guys check out the grill and treadmill that I got for my birthday today. So this right here, I'm sorry you can't see all of it because of this table and because I'm not good at getting things in a frame that's not already in my studio setup, but this is the treadmill that I got. It is, I guess, a Proform, I don't know, Nordic Track treadmill, and I'm really excited about it. This is my first piece of like workout equipment that's actually equipment at home. And then I got this, hold on. And then I got this grill right here, and it's a 3-burner grill. I love grilled food. I hate barbecue sauce, which is kind of weird, but I love grilled food. So yeah. First things first, I went to Macy's and I got these things. Actually, I got this from... No, I didn't get anything from Macy's. Wait, I got one thing from Macy's. Okay. I went to Macy's today, and apparently they have an Olivia Rose Beauty Essentials Blending Sponge collection, and this thing is huge. It has 12 beauty blenders in it, and I actually have a jar right here that I keep on my vanity that is like just all kinds of different sponges, so I got this to fill that up. Melissa started using a beauty blender, you guys. It's crazy. Beauty blender city. Plus, if I do freelance for makeup, I give the people the beauty blender if I use one on them. So, because, you know, cross-contamination's a thing. So I got this from Macy's, which I'm super excited about. I got this next stuff from Forever 21. I got this, it's just like a bowler shirt, but it has this super cute like embroidered rose pattern on the sides, and I figured it'd be like really cute for summer with like some shorts, a pink top underneath, and this, like, I just thought it would be so cute. So, but it was in the men's section, but it was also on sale for $7, so not bad, huh? Okay, so next thing I got at Forever 21 is this sweater. Okay, so I got this sweater. It's a cute like off the shoulder sweater. I love an off the shoulder moment, as you guys can tell. I just love an off the shoulder moment. I hate having to always be like, ugh. But, you know, it's cute, so I deal with it. So I already have one that's kind of maroon that's like this, but I love this sweater. It's a full sleeve, not a 3/4 sleeve like my other one that I have. And then the last clothing item I got from Forever 21 is this cute shirt. I used to love Barbies when I was little. Low-key still would love to be a Barbie. Okay. And I got this super cute, it's just a gray t-shirt, and it says Barbie on it, but the Barbie is in rhinestone, like little studded rhinestones and in pearls. So I'm like super excited and happy about that. I love it. And I think I got a few sizes bigger just because I wanted, you know, like more, you know, like baggy feel to it. Next I went to Ulta, and you guys know I had to get a few things from Ulta since this is an affordable beauty makeup channel. I'm totally going to do a tutorial on everything that I mentioned except for this. So this is the NYX Conceal, Contour, and Correct palette, and this is in the shade medium, which is the one that I used before. Mostly I use the top 2 shades on here, and then this salmon-y shade to cancel out the dark circles that I have. Okay, we're not going to talk about it, we're just going to mention it. And then I got this. This is the 35S Sweet Oasis palette, and I really want to do a tutorial with this because like I opened it before I even bought it just to make surezies that I would want it. Well, I looked it up on Google, and then I opened it up in the store because I was like, oh, I'm gonna get that whenever I saw the palette. And it was only $25, so I was like really excited about it, really happy about it as well. So I got that from Ulta, and then I plan on doing a wear test and tutorial on these 2 things. It's the Makeup Revolution Super Dewy set. So I got this, which is the Skin Tint, which is a tinted moisturizer, and just in case if you guys are curious, I got the shade medium, and this is actually the color that it is right there. And then I got the Makeup Revolution Skin Elixir Serum, so they're just like kind of like unicorn drops or something like that. So I got this, and so these 2 I'm going to do a wear test and all of that for you guys at least 8 hours. So that video will be coming soon. After I went to Ulta, I went to Ross and spoiled myself some more, you know, because like keep it coming, right? I went to Ross. I got this shirt right here. I'm not sure if you guys know, but like I was obsessed with, I wanted to be a Playboy bunny when I was 18, just because that dang on show, that had the 3 Playboy bunnies and Hugh Hefner in it, I was like, oh, I really want to like do that, like live in a nice house with all these girls and be my best friends, you know, it's all good. Like I just thought that dudes were nice like that. But no, they're not. But I got this shirt, and I love the pattern, the tie-dye pattern. It says Playboy on the top, and this is, you know, I think it's an extra large. Yeah, this is just an extra large, so it's like gonna be really big on me, but that's fine. You know, I love a nice baggy t-shirt moment, okay? So I got that stuff from Ross. Oh, wait. I got that from Ross, and then I also got some more face razors from Ross, and this pack was only $4.99, which I thought was a steal, so I got that from Ross. And then I got a new Eco Sanctuary paddle brush because I need a new paddle brush, okay? I just needed a new brush. Okay, so we went into Five Below. And if you guys don't know what Five Below is, like maybe you don't have it there or something like that, which you probably do. But Five Below is a store where everything in the store is $5 or below. Kind of like Dollar Tree, but Five Below, right? I love candy. If anybody who knows me in real life knows I love candy. And I think I've even mentioned it in like only during the Easter months. Like in spring, they sell these Jolly Rancher jelly beans. And if you guys have not tried the Jolly Rancher jelly beans, you should. Like, I don't know what you're missing out on, but you're missing out on everything. The flavors are strawberry, orange, watermelon, grape, blue raspberry, and green apple. Guys, it's good. It's good.
That's why I need to try more, because candy.
Also, while I was at Five Below, disposable face masks a necessity nowadays. Okay. Last but not least, my favorite store in the world. Okay. If you ever want to get me anything, anybody, okay, get me something from Bath and Body Works. Okay. Anything that smells like food, I'm sold. So just go ahead and get it. So I got a new car clip, which it's so cute, right? I love this car clip. It's so pretty. And Melissa got me these 2 scents, and this one also, Sweet Pea and Waikiki Beach Coconut. Love these smells. Oh, they're so good. And then my best friend Ashley, she got me this light up lip, and I'm figuring out how to put it in my background because I really want to put it up. When me and my best friend Ashley were also at Bath and Body Works together, she got me these 2 as well. So it smells just so good. This is just like the most, it's the best scent ever. Like ever. I love it. And then Melissa also got me, along with the car vent refills, she got me this, which is the Paris Cafe scent. And literally, this is my favorite scent. This is my favorite scent. I love burning candles too. Like every day I burn a candle. So this is my favorite scent. Oh, also, you guys, look. My best friend, she did my nails too. She did my nails gel. And for that reason alone, my best friend is better than your best friend. Just so we're clear. And not only that, she came with me to get this. Let me see if I can get at a good angle here. So I got this tattoo right here. And it's a Roman numeral 3 right here. And then it's got cute swirlies on the side. And I know right now it looks like I'm just tatted up. I have 6 other tattoos other than this one. This is my 7th tattoo. But however, this one is the only one that I'm willing to let show. But I'm willing to have this one right here. It's because my father passed away. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that my father passed away this past July. He passed away, and he was a third. He's actually James Ganaway the third. And not just that, I love the number 3, and I have it on my left hand here because he's left-handed. I was debating on whether to get it on my left wrist or on my left side, but also I was like, you know what, maybe he can help guide my hands, you know, like help guide my hands for better things, Dad. And so 3, yeah. So basically, that is my birthday haul. I feel like I just got spoiled this year. Normally I take a trip and we do like fun things and have experiences, but you know, there's a good old-fashioned panty going on right now, so I can't just, you know, pick up and dip. But I feel like shopping, you know, was in order here. So I feel like the amount of money that I would have spent on going on a trip, I definitely spent it at home. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.